Okay, this can be a taste test for Fine Brewed Pilsner Stonehammer from Guelph, Ontario. See what that tastes like. Yeah, it's got a little bit of bite to it. Straw colored, huh? Try that again. I'm not sure I like that one as much. It's got a little bit of a aftertaste. But that's it.